Good morning. Hey, this is Dr. Olmstein at the Ozark Chiropractic Clinic. Welcome you to another weekly or bi-weekly email newsletter and such. Talking something a little different today. I had a lady come in as a patient, and she brought her son in, and he was having some issues in the neck. He's just a little boy, like 6 years old, I think. Yeah, youngster, so a little guy. And we're talking about things, and I asked her any trauma, any issues like that. No, just sort of developed and stuff. And then I started asking her more. Well, has he anything in the past? And so she starts to realize, well, yeah, he did take a fall here. And then, yeah, he did take a fall here in the problem. He hit his head both times. And I said, see, those are things that when they occur, we tend to ignore them, especially with children, because we sort of rub it off and say, oh, hey, you're fine, you'll be all right, and you just go on with it. But these are things that really will cause alignment problems within the spine and set the person up to having problems down the road. So that's why it's so important to have yourself checked. I don't care if you're a little boy, a big boy and stuff. You need to be looked at when you have falls and injuries, because you do knock things out of alignment. You do create pinched nerves or subluxations, which will cause problems in time. Yes, your body will attempt to heal the issue and take care of it, but it's not going to heal as well as it should. And it's going to become a chronic problem. That's why people will see that they have recurring, maybe it's a neck problem or a lower back problem or things that happen to them frequently. And sometimes it doesn't take much to get it out. And especially as we get older, you may start to see it more frequently. So it's extremely important to check yourself and take care of things. Don't ignore things. Don't think, it'll get better, I'm fine. I think, especially with children, because too often we just, our children, they're under a lot of trauma. Look at, the birth process itself, when they pull the head out and they twist and pull, that's very traumatic to the neck right there. So newborns need to be checked. As kids learn to walk, what happens? They fall, they hit their heads, they do things, they knock themselves out of alignment right there. As they get older, they're learning to ride bikes, they're playing sports and things. So there's all sorts of traumas and injuries that occur that oftentimes we ignore them. As parents, because I've been guilty of this, we all say, oh, you're gonna be fine. Yeah, you're all right. Yeah, you're fine. How many times have we done that, right? And then kids later on, I got a problem, I'm getting headaches and things, I'm starting to have this and that. Well, a lot of these things can be tied back to injuries that occurred years ago. And this always will occur to us as we get older too. I can definitely pinpoint areas in patients going through histories of a person saying that 20 years ago they had a fall and injury, and ever since then they've had problems, but they never took care of it. And now it's a chronic problem. So see, that person's gonna be stuck. Yes, we can help you, but may never get rid of 100% of everything. And our goal is try to get you as best as we can. And that's what we want, help make good quality of life for you. So please don't underestimate, the damage that occurs when you do have a fall, and have yourself checked. Always some good little practical tips. I always remember to use ice. Whenever you have a new injury, ice it, okay? 20 minutes on, off for an hour. When you pull your ice pack out of the freezer, always wrap a light towel around so it's not directly on your skin. If you have chronic injuries, things that have been a little longer, stiffness, aches, you can use some heat. And I'll let you use it up for maybe 25 to 30 minutes at a time. Do not lay on top of a heating pad, because that can cause pooling and cause swelling and more burning, so we don't want that. Either sit up against it or have it on top of you. And do not lay in them all night in bed. That's a no-no. Use the ice. Stretches, exercises, things that we've told you about. The knee to chest stretch is a good one. The rotation, stretching the hamstrings. Those are all good exercises. Always ask me if you have questions how to do those and things. Be careful with your lifting habits, your bending habits. We're getting into spring coming around now, so I know people are excited to get out in the gardens. So, remember to use good mechanics, watch yourself, take breaks and things. But I just wanted to share a couple little things like that and just say that, kids are an often overlooked segment of the population that need chiropractic care, and they should be looked at. So if your children are having issues and they're complaining to you and just not making sense, bring them in. Let me look at them and see. And we can tell you quickly, because like I tell everybody, if there's a problem I think I can help with, we will. If there's something I think we can help with, we'll get you off to the right person who can. All right? So always know that, because we want what's best for you. We want what you want. Whatever goals you have in your health and your objectives, we're here to help you get those. So I wanted to say that, and I want to say thank you for always your time. We got a little special thing coming up in March from 18th to the 21st. We're going to have a sort of a supply drive for the Franklin County Senior Center. They've been having a little financial difficulty, and so we're going to look to get supplies for them. Not food items this time, but things like, cleaning supplies, paper towels, toilet paper, Kleenex, things along that line. That, everyday stuff that they can use. So we're going to help them out. And that's going from March 18th to the 21st. So if you have a new patient who wants to come in, they can donate their goods and get that, their x-rays and exams for that donation. And for our regular patients, what we're going to do on Tuesday, I think it's the 19th, is that day, if you bring in your donation papers, we'll give you a discount off of your copay or waive your copay or a discount off your visit and things like that. So something to help you and to say thank you to you also too. So I just want to thank you for your time. I want to wish you guys a great day. Always remember, if you have questions, give us a call at 667-5053. Check out the website. Those are chiropractic.com. Like us on Facebook. Until next time, have a great day. Thank you very much.